What's going on, people? Eric, back out here in the woods. Well, I figured today we might do a little talking about a tool you might want to add to your arsenal. The Milwaukee M18 16-inch chainsaw. Of course, being Milwaukee M18, it is battery powered. And being battery powered, you need the 12 amp hour battery to go with this guy. But for what it is, it does a really good job. Comes with a tool for all your chainsaw needs. And well, I've had this one for 3 years. Just have changed my blade out. Never sharpened it. Probably could have sharpened it, should have sharpened it, but did not. So I put a brand new one on it. Went to Tractor Supply, found one that said fits 16-inch chainsaw, Milwaukee brand, slapped it on there. So figured today I'll hinge cut this little sweet gum tree with the old Milwaukee, and let it speak for itself. And we got us a good old barber chair out of it. So you watch yourself when you got a leaning tree. That's why I needed it out of here. But the old Milwaukee did handle the job. So if you thought about it, thought maybe you could use one, well, they're decent. That's my review, at least. Y'all people get out in the woods.